Good morning, everyone. My name is Radhika and I am your English teacher. Today, I am starting with the very first chapter of your Marigold book, that is Ice Cream Man. Firstly, I will ask one question to you, that is, what is cold, sweet, and creamy and wonderful to eat? Everyone's favorite treat, especially in hot summer day. What is it? I think you know the answer, all of you. Anyone can know the answer? Okay, I will give you the answer. It is an ice cream, isn't it? Now, I will start reciting the poem in front of you. You can also see the poem written on your screen. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. Now, this is the poem and it is composed by Rachel Field. Rachel Field is the composer of this poem. It means that it is written by Rachel Field. He is the writer of this poem, poet of this poem. Now I will start with the explanation of the poem. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, all of you know that it is the summer season. Summer season has started. It's a month of April, and in the summer season or in the hot month, you all are very keen to get the ice cream, and all of you, everyone love to get the ice cream, love to eat the ice cream, whatever the flavor he or she likes. When summers in the city, when the summer season start and brings a blaze of heat. Blaze means a flame of fire or heat. A bricks a blaze of heat in the summer season. All the bricks are also, your body temperature is too high, and all of you are trying to get the cold things just like ice cream, cold drinks, or any other thing you like. And the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. The first image that creates in your mind, that is the image of a ice cream man. The ice cream man with his little cart. You always think that ice cream man comes in our street, comes in our lane, and we all are ran away from our home to get the ice cream. The ice cream man comes with his cart, and he has also attached one bell in his cart. When the bell rings, all the students, all the children ran away from their home to get his favorite flavors of ice cream. He comes with a trundling cart. Trundling means a cart that has some small broad wheels, and that is some sound also. When that cart moves on the road, that makes some sound, that is called trundling. And with the sound of the bell and trundling wheels, all the children knows that the ice cream man comes in their street or in their lane, and all are very excited to get the ice cream beneath his round umbrella. And one thing more, there is one more thing attached in his ice cream cart, that is umbrella. Thus to see him fill the cones with mounds. Oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. And by looking at the umbrella or the bell or the ice cream cart, the children are very excited. Oh, and they are very happy to see the ice cream man and his cart. Oh, what a joyful sight. बहुत अच्छा नज़ारा है. to see him fill the cones, and they are also very happy. They are very excited to see when the ice cream man filled his cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Then they are filling his cones of brown and white of different flavors of vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or other things, that is chili drinks for. And some bottles are also there at his ice cream cart. The colors of the bottles are green, orange, white, or pink, and they all are trying to get the ice creams also. Some ice cream banners or ice cream tags are also there, in which so many different flavors of ice cream and their pictures are also drawn over there, and their rate list is also there. So students try to select their favorite ice cream and try and get the ice cream from that ice cream man. His cart might be a flower bed. There are so many things on his ice cream man. So that is why his cart might be like a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, like just as thick as honey bees, just like the honey bees are clustered round the honey, just like the children ran away from their home and try to get the ice cream and cluster round the ice cream cart, and one by one trying to get their favorite flavors of ice cream. So I have done with the poem. Thank you. Now I will come with the next part of this poem, that is the exercise work. Now let's see the exercise. Firstly, that I have given in your PDF also. Firstly, I will start with the difficult words of this poem. First word is place. Second is trundling. Third is mounts. Fourth is strawberry. Fifth is frosty face. Sixth is cluster. And seventh one is flavor. Okay. Now second is word meanings. Firstly, one by one I will read the word and their meanings. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Second, trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Third, mounts, heap or pile. Fourth, frosty fizz, chill drink, making a hissing or bubbling sound. And the last is cluster, gather around. Now in the third part of this, you have to make sentences by all these words. Fourth one is, let's come to the next part. Answer the following questions. First is, in which season is ice cream popular? I think I don't need to give this answer. Everyone knows the answer. Ice cream is popular in summer season. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Children feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Third one is, name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream cart has. Ice cream man has the following flavors of ice cream. First is vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. You can also write some other flavors of ice cream. If you like the other flavors such as butterscotch, chocolate or American nut, cassata, anything you can write here. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling frosty fizz and ice cream. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? The ice cream cart is compared to a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Okay, I have done with it.